Hello everybody, my name is Susana and today we are going to edit a holiday card. So let's begin. The first thing I want to do is mention the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. I'm going to point out the artwork for you. Right here you can see all the artwork that you cannot change, and I'm selecting everything. So everything that I'm moving around right here on the template, you cannot change. You cannot change the color of any of these items. Everything else on the template can be changed. You can change the color of the background. Let's upload our own logo here. So let's remove the placeholder. My logo has a transparent background. So if your logo has a background color, what you want to do is select elements, scroll down to the section frames and select the circle here. Click and drag your logo, and now it should be able to blend perfectly fine with any background color you change on the template. You can change the color of the text, the size, and the font type. And that goes for all the text that you see here. You have the Spanish template below and your social media icons as well. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a fabulous day.